Step into the 2000 Saturn LW. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include AC, cassette, power steering, wheel covers, CD player, rear defrost, bucket seats, and power mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.